Hello. Tripp. We have our first. Oh, apparently not yet. Our first wall framing in. My labeling system. Alright, so yesterday we spent about 3 hours staring at the van and the three by ones that we put up for the wall framing, and then we realized we didn't want to do it that way. So we are going to take just one down because the other ones are okay, and instead of putting them on the outside,
Why did we decide to do
to give us more room, or I guess give me more room when living in the van, instead of having this vertical beam right here as wall framing on the outside of these horizontal ones, as it is right now, because we still have to take it apart, we are going to cut right here, and then this piece will go on the inside of the metal frame and hook into this wood with a pocket jig, which will give us the holes that we can go in from a different angle. And then this part will go under here, and then this part will go and connect on top of here. So basically, it'll give us an extra inch, which I've been told is a lot when living in a van. So it's not a whole lot more technical than we're doing now, but it is more time consuming because we are redoing how we are doing it.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different life. Deep connection lights a spark. It's like you know me in the depths of my heart. We're dreamers. Don't care what other people say. We're living like this could be our final day. We're dreamers. Don't care what the others say.
Got some metal in the coffee. I'm gonna redo that coffee cup.
We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you want me and all my loving. We come alive in the nighttime. You and I, we come alive. We come alive. We come alive. What's your weakness? What's your type? Somehow I wanna know all about you. Deep connection lights a spark. You already know me when we dance in the dark. We're dreamers. We're living. We're dreamers. We're doing this in our way. We come alive in the nighttime. It's something about how we dance in the moonlight. That look in your eyes, it tells me that you
framing, what we didn't do before, which we tried, up here we put, what are these? 1x3s on the roof as part of the framing, and we did it for each of the beams, and then on the back we did a different type framing, which I'll show you in a second. But then up front, it was not working. In a lot of the videos that we saw, people were just drilling these 1x3s straight into this foam stuff. I don't know what this is, but this is up on the front of the van. And every time we tried to drill into it, it kind of pushed back down on us. So we kind of gave up on the wood and decided we would go a different route. When we got to putting the ceiling in, it wasn't drilling into the roof either with this foamy stuff. So we took this stuff off and it's actually working now. So the same piece of wood that we were going to use to frame it in the first place, we're actually using now. But instead, let me zoom. But instead, can you even see that? I cut it off. Nah, cut it off. 1 second. Okay. But instead, we cut little slits because it makes it easier to put them up instead of it bouncing back, because the van is not straight. It's at a kind of a curvature. It was much easier to drill these up without having to do the entire thing at once. So this one's up, and we're gonna put this one up next under here. And then that way, it's drilling straight into the metal framing like the previous ones, and there's none of this, I still don't know what it's called, soft foam stuff in the way. And also, while you're cutting it, we just cut it out with an X-Acto knife, but there are wires up there that lead to your lights up top. So you want to make sure as you're cutting, you completely avoid those lights, or else you're cutting wires. So just be aware of that. But then once you do that, we were able to drill the ceiling straight into the framed pieces. So much better than before. And it's actually straight for the whole way, which we originally thought wasn't going to be the case. Yeah. Anything else to add? Oh, one more thing. In order to get the drill all the way up under here, to drill that, I think we tried before to use the right angle drill. We tried that, right? But
It's just hard to use.
But it was difficult to use and hold, so instead of doing that, we just used a smaller drill bit, which made it much easier to get the drill under there to then drill up. So pro tip, cut the foamy stuff off the front of your van.